Welcome to another episode of Aussie Thrifters. We are here today to help you guys out setting up a MyPost business and integrating it with your eBay sales. So we put out the full postage process last week. We had a lot of people asking us how to set this up. So this is the video for you to show you how to import all your eBay orders with one click. Let's go. So we're here on the dashboard of MyPost business, and a lot of you said that you copied and pasted your orders in through add an order under this orders tab here. So yes, that is one way of doing this. However, it takes a lot of time. So I'm going to show you the simple process of how to integrate your eBay orders into here with a click of the button. So all you need to do is you need to go through settings, and you'll see this little tab here that says integrations. Now all you need to do is go in there and it will talk about eBay integrations, and you just need to connect it to eBay. So once that loads up, you're just going to have to enter all your details and your password. So I'll just cover that up while I sort that out. So that'll take you to the screen where you have to grant application access to Australia Post MyPost business. And it just says that, are you happy for this to be integrated? We won't be sharing your password with MyPost business. However, your orders will be available to import. All that sort of stuff. It talks about privacy policy. You can have a closer look. I looked at this when we originally did it and it looked all fine to me and we haven't had any issues. So I'm just going to agree to that. And what that is going to do is going to link up MyPost business with your eBay sales. So now that you've connected it up with eBay, what do you need to do? Well, all you need to do is go to your orders tab. When it loads up, you'll now see this new import eBay orders tab, which integrates with eBay directly. And all you need to do is press that button and it will pull in all your eBay orders so fast so that you can go through and start printing labels. So hopefully this video has helped you out and will save you some time when you are importing your eBay orders to My Business Post. Leave us a big thumbs up if it has helped you out. Leave us a comment below to let us know what your process is when you're doing MyPost business. And if you guys haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button for us. And we'll see you next time on Aussie Thrifters. Bye for now.